All right, hello students. Let's get right down to it. Let's talk about citizenship. Being a citizen means that you are a member of a place and you have three things. You have rights, you have responsibilities, and you have obligations. Now those are three different things. We'll get into that in a second. But as a citizen, you have those three things. Okay, now there are basically two types of citizens when we talk about the United States here. There are natural-born citizens, and then there are naturalized citizens. Natural-born citizens are exactly what it sounds like. It's a person who is a citizen of the United States from the moment they were born. Now, there are two ways this can happen, okay? Whether it is called the law of blood or the law of soil. Law of soil means that if you were born inside of the United States or on U.S. soil in like a military base or overseas, as long as you were born in the United States, you are instantaneously a United States citizen, and it doesn't matter who your parents are, okay? If you come to the United States and you have a child here, that child is a United States citizen. Now, it might also be a citizen of a country that you are from. That person might have dual citizenship, but nevertheless, a person who was born inside of the United States is a U.S. citizen because of the law of soil. Then you've got the law of blood. The law of blood says it does not matter where you yourself are born. It does not matter if you were born in America or in the North Pole. If at least one of your parents is a United States citizen, you are a United States citizen. Again, you could be born in Alaska, you could be born in Antarctica. It doesn't matter. You're a United States citizen if at least one, meaning your mom or your dad, is a United States citizen. That's called the law of blood. So that's what it takes to be a natural-born citizen. Now, a naturalized citizen is when you have to satisfy 5 requirements in order to become a citizen. So you're not born one, you become a United States citizen. Those requirements are you have to be at least 18 years old. You must have lived inside of the United States for at least 5 years. You must be able to read, write, and speak English. You need to have good moral character, which means that you have to have not committed any crimes while you were here. And then lastly, you need to take a naturalization test, which is when they test you on your knowledge of U.S. history and how our government works. So if you can satisfy those 5 requirements, although you are not born a citizen, you can become a citizen through this naturalization process. Okay? So the two types of citizens, natural born, naturalized. Regardless of which one you are, if you are a citizen, you have rights, responsibilities, and obligations. That'll be a subject for a future video.